Welcome back guys, and in Redmi mobiles this is Xiaomi 11T Pro. If you want to surf internet in aeroplane mode, flight mode, what you need to do, that can be done with a hidden secret code and some settings. I am going to explain in this video. So after watching this, if you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. So I will show that internet is not working. Both sim signals are coming, and now I will open the internet. So here Chrome has opened. Now I will type hi, and then just search it, and now this is working. Now I will put this phone in flight mode, and now I will search. See, no internet has come. Now I will show you what it needs to be done. Just go to the dialer pad, and here open it, and now dial star hash 4636 hash star hash. As soon as you will press star, this will open. Go to the Wi-Fi informations. Not in Wi-Fi. I have used here two sims. The sim in which you have data, you have to select that. In my case, it is in sim 2, so I will select phone information 2. And after that, this will come, and I have to just select mobile radio power on. As soon as it should be on, it is on now. Now see what is happening. I will go, and then I will go here, and now I will try to search hi. See, it is working or not. It is still not working. Now I need to check what has happened. Oh, it is not on, so turn it on. Okay, now it is on. It is on. It is on. Okay, see here KB has come, some KBs. Now I will go, I will open it, and now I will search hi. See, it is working. So flight mode is on and internet is coming. So this is all what I wanted to tell you for Redmi mobiles. How will you use internet in flight mode? This is all what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you.